सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 6, verse number 7. जितात्मनः प्रशान्तस्य परमात्मा समाहितः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु तथा मानापमानयोः In this Dhyana Yoga, Lord Krishna giving certain disciplines for all the mumukshus. What are the disciplines one has to follow, and what are the qualifications one has to acquire to receive the teaching? And after receiving the teaching, how one has to do contemplation, meditation. In this 7th shloka, Lord Krishna talking about the 4th sadhana, that is self-mastery. Self-mastery. Self-mastery means one has to conquer his own mind. Once person conquer his mind will become a bandhu for him, a relative, a friend. A friendly mind is a healthy mind. Unfriendly mind is called an inimical mind. Our own mind can be inimical to us, can be friend to us also. Our own mind. No other enemy outside in the world. This is what in Pujya Swamiji language, if you want to listen, problem is you, solution is you. Problem is you, solution is you. There is no problem outside. But we think problem is outside. Lord Krishna says, Jitatmanaha. In the previous shloka also, the last class, Anvayaha, you have to see correctly. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Whole Atma is coming. Bandhuratmatmanastasya enatmaivatmanajitah. Anatmanastu shatrutve vartet atmaiva shatruvat. Whole shloka is Atma coming. So how to see the words connection? Tasya Atma, you have to supply one Tasya extra there in the 6th shloka. I feel like to give that Anvaya properly. The last time you are not so comfortable. I understood that. So I feel like to give again. Tasya Atma, of that person, mind. Here Atma means what? Mind. Antahkaranam. Tasya Atma. Tasya you have to supply. Tasya means Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam, of that person. that person's mind, tasya atma, tasya atmanaha bandhuhu. The first quarter of first line. Bandhuhu atma atmasya, atma atmasya. Bandhuratmatmanasya is there. So, tasya atmanaha, tasya atma bandhuhu. Tasya atma, his mind, tasya atmanaha, of his mind, bandhuhu, means relative. His mind is relative of his mind. The person's mind alone is a friend. Friend of whom we immediately question. Friend of whom? Friend of his own mind. Friend ku friend na. Avanuடைய மனசு அவனுக்கே friend na. Tasya atma, his mind. Tasya atmanaha bandhu. Friend of his mind. How difficult, no, Bhagavan presentation. We have to see the commentaries and we have to understand. Otherwise, we don't get any nail and thread. We don't get it all. Now it's clear. First quarter of the first line. Tasya atma, tasya atmanaha bandhuhu. His mind is friend of his mind. For all people, no, not for all people. Yena atmana atma jitaha. His friend is friend of his mind. By whom? Yena, by whom? Atmana, by whom his mind is, atmana, with his mind, atma jitaha. By whom mind is conquered by his mind. By whom the mind is conquered by his mind. By whom his mind is conquered by his mind, for him, his atma, his mind is friend. இது புரியறதுக்குள்ள நம்ம கோபமா வந்துடும். Lord Krishna says, first you control that anger. Ada, whose mind is conquered by his mind, making that mind as bandhu, that mind become bandhu. Who conquers his mind? Body-mind complex. Disciplined mind, disciplined body, disciplined sense organs, ityartha. So first line over. This is called self-discipline. It is not discipline imposed by the mother or father or a teacher. I am a spiritual Vedantic student. I have to get up, I have to study, I have to do all my duties. I have to face all the problems also. I have to overcome all problems also. So I am responsible to myself. Nobody is responsible. This taking burden on our shoulders itself is a toughest uphill task. Because namak enna leaning oru palakkam. Always leaning to the wall, madri, leaning to the people emotionally. As long as we emotionally lean upon father, mother, husband or guru, including guru, we can never come up in our life in spiritual pursuit. Therefore, in second line also Lord Krishna says, if he is not able to control his mind, conquer his mind, bandhu ka opposite enna? Shatrutvam. Unconquered mind. You see the second line. Anatmanastu shatrutve. Anatma means what? A mind which is not conquered by that person. A mind that which is not conquered by that person, of his mind only. Not conquering other person's mind. நம்ம இதுதான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். Always conquering the wife's mind, husband's mind, children's mind, parents' mind. This is called self-mastery, Ashtanga Yoga. So, Atma eva shatrutve varteta. His own mind Here self will translation will be there. Even if it is self, you write small s. Never write capital S. If you write capital S, it will become Satchidananda Atma. Your Satchidananda Atma will become enemy of you and it is meaningless. We should not take like that. Here self, if suppose you want to give a name, no? Chidabhasa, reflected consciousness is also Atma Pratibimba only, no? So that's why books, you see the translations, they write small s, self. Your own self, conquer your own self by your own self. Self means here reflexive pronoun. You have to supply as a mind, antahkaranam, ityartha. Illanna kolapam. Puriyilana. Adi jagrathaya translation pannikano. Even in the books it is self is there, it is small s. If there is a capital S, correct it. Okay. Shatrutve varteta. If it is not conquered or controlled or disciplined, that person's mind will become, it will remain as an enemy. The inimical mind is a sick mind, depressed, oppressed, suppressed mind, frustrated mind. So this mind is called enemy mind. But our mind is enemy mind or inimical mind or friendly mind? வெளியில சொல்றோம், உள்ள பார்த்துக்கோங்க. எப்பவுமே ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியா இருக்கணும். அப்பப்போ ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியா இருக்க சுவாமினி, மெனி டைம்ஸ் எனிமிக்கல். என்ன ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் ஆங்கர் வருதே, when we are under stress, anger, guilt, hurt, frustration, that is inimical mind. So how many times we are getting anger, how many times we are under guilt, how many times we are under hurt, how many times we are under pressure, depression, how many times we are under confusion, doubting. All these are what? Indisciplined, unconquered mind. It is Shatru alone. That's what Lord Krishna says. Shatrutve varteta. Shatruvat. Just as your enemy, your mind behaves like enemy. You think Mamiyar is your enemy? Suppose. அப்படியே உங்க மனசு கூட மாமியார், another மாமியார். So whomever you think they are enemies, really speaking, your unconquered mind is enemy. Therefore, what to do? Jitatmanaha Prashantasya, in 7th verse he said, Jitatma, whose mind is conquered through Ashtanga Yoga, Yamaniyama Asana Pranayama Pratyahara Dharana Dhyana Samadhi Abhyasena. Thorough practice of Ashtanga Yoga, take the care, no? All will take care of. Mastered the body-mind complex. Prashantasya, prasanna antahkaranasya. The mind is calm. I told you, no? Kalidasa compared, see, generally we compare our mind to the tranquil river. Kalidasa compared Manasa Sarovaram. You know Manasa Sarovaram? Kailas Manasa Sarovar? You might have seen some of you already. And the Kailas Manasa Sarovaram eppadi irukkanu Kalidas is writing in his shloka. It is like a sage mind. Yogi's mind, Jnani's mind eppadi irukkumo, and the Manasa Sarovaram appadi irukku solrar avaru. Generally Manasa Sarovaram, how is this tranquil? Appadi irukku ivar manasanu thane sollanum. But Kalidasa is very fond of a Jnani, of course, maybe. ஒரு சேஜ், ஒரு மகாத்மா, முனிஸ் மைண்ட் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, இந்த மானச சரோவரம் எப்படி இருக்க, இந்த இவருடைய மனசு மாதிரி அந்த மானச சரோவரம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்றாரு அவர். அங்கே கூட அப்பப்போ ரிப்பிள்ஸ் வரலாமோ, இங்க மாத்திரம் வராது. அந்த அளவுக்கு ட்ராங்குலா எப்பவுமே பேலன்ஸ்டுன்னு அர்த்தம். பேலன்ஸ்டு மைண்ட். நோ படப்படப்பு. தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா நோ படப்படப்பு, பால்பிட்டேஷன் கிடையாது. நமக்கு அடிக்கடி பால்பிட்டேஷன் வந்து இருக்க படப்படப்புன்னு. பிரசாந்தஸ்ய, ஆஃப் தட் பர்சன். பரமாத்மா சமாஹிதா. பரமாத்மா மீன்ஸ் சாக்ஷாத் ஆத்மபாவா. ஒன்ஸ் த மைண்ட் இஸ் ட்ராங்குல், Paramatma samahitaha. Atma means Paramatma, the self, the supreme self is evident. Samahitaha. Samyak Atma bhavena vartate. What is the benefit of this self-mastery, self-confidence, self-discipline, self-effort? He can recognize that Atma Swarupam in his own heart. Easily he can recognize. Class nadakam bode shravana kale eva aham brahmasmi, and he can declare. Not loudly. Class நடந்துட்டு loud எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? He says in his mind he feels that sakshat atma bhavam samaha bhavati, he will be the same nartham. Samahitaha paramatma samahitaha samaha bhavati. Second line you have to supply. Because of that understanding his atma nature, he sees everything equal. Samaha bhavati. He entertains the equanimous mind because of this Atma Darshanam, because of this Atma Jnanam. How Atma Jnanam took place? Because of tranquility of the mind, balanced mind, undisturbed mind, unperturbed mind. Because of that mind, of course he has studied Shastra also, he has recognized the Atma. After recognizing the Atma, he remains tranquil and he Vyavahara kale Shita Ushna Sukha Dukkheshu Mana Apamanayo, all pairs of opposites. Shita means cold, Ushna means heat, Sukha means pleasure, Dukkha means sorrow. In sorrow, Dukkheshu, Sukheshu, in pleasure, in sorrow, Samaha Bhavati. You have to supply. For every pair you have to supply Samaha Bhavati. Every Shita Ushneshu Samaha Bhavati. In cold and hot is same. Namma madri current pochu, ayyo current gone. Fan vanduchu, appada pochu. Iduda samatulyata illenu artham. Fan pona kuda current pona calm, current vandal calm. No upheavals, no upset setup. Same, Samaha Bhavat. Similarly, Sukha Dukkheshu. In pleasure, there people praise, recognize, appreciation sometimes. Aha, oho, you are so great, wonderful. Next day, they talk behind. Dukkha, sorrow. Immediately comes, idi ondi varathukku munnadi adi vandudu. That's why every pleasure is a potential sorrow. The world is like that. You cannot make all people all the time comfortable, happy. Impossible. It is difficult. So dukkha is going to come, sukha also going to come. Both like light and shadow. How many years, decades we are experiencing this? Sukha, Rasagulla, Gulab Jam, every festival. Next day, yedo or bad news vandudu, problem, dukkha, again sukha, again dukkha, again pleasure, again unfavorable and favorable. Samaha bhavati. He will not be disturbed. Why? Understood the Atma, Aham Atma. I have no dukkha at all, I have no sukha at all. This pleasure and pain are belong to this body-mind complex. I am not the body-mind complex. Therefore, this dukkha and sukha are not belong to me. No depth to even this jnani will not welcome the Vyavaharika Sukha. He will never vote for Vyavaharika Sukha. Every rose flower has got a thorn behind it. He knows better. Namma enna pandrona and the fragrance. Every sukha we want to enjoy. மை சுகா மை சுகா மை சன் மை டாட்டர் இன்லாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். அப்புறம் துக்கா, நான் இப்படி நினைக்கவே இல்லை சுவாமினி, இந்த பொண்ணு மூலமா என்னோட பையனே மாறி போயிட்டான்னா. என்னோட பையன் நல்லவன் தான், அதனால இந்த டாக்டர் எல்லாம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் இப்படி ஆயிட்டான். Previous neighbors are very good. These neighbors are not at all good. Previous neighbors are good. So every pleasure there is a pain behind it. After some time it will come. So samaha bhavati sukha dukkesh. Then mana and apamana. Sometimes people will come and praise you. Manam satkaram. Poola mala ella poduvan. Any time you see, first time whenever you go, vango 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 nu solluva. Second time vango vango, oru vango kammi aidum. Third time you go, only varu vango vandidu vango. First time vango vango vango. If you go to second time same house, vango vango. This is the human nature. Third time na vango. Fourth time கேட்கவே வேண்டாம், வாங்கன்னு சொல்லவே மாட்டான். See, the world, nature is like anywhere, any relation you see, really. Even wife, husband, children, everybody like that only. Manam and apamanam. Same place where you get respect, reverence, all these are getting same place by the same person. Sometimes you will be insulted. Insulted like anything in front of others. Tossed by this up and downs, pair of opposites. But this person is tranquil. Yena, ivarku theriyum, he is ready to face both of them. He is very, very clear. This sukha comes, next moment dukkha is going to come ready. For sukha also he is not ready to take, and na prahrishet priyam prapya, no dvijet apriyam prapya. He will not be disturbed by dukkha, he will not be elated by the sukha. Really that status is called sthita prajna sthiti. If we get, you are always balanced. Our happiness lene cushion mele jump panna madiri da, jump panni Next shloka. Mana apamana means puja paribhavam. Paribhavayoh puja apamana. Parabhavam. இதெல்லாம் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. யாருக்கு அனுபவம் இல்லை, இதெல்லாம் எல்லாருக்கும் அனுபவம் இருக்கு. அப்ப சமமா இருக்கோமான்னா 10 பேருக்கு சொல்லி, we go on telling, you know that person how much he has insulted me. எப்போ 5 years back, இவன் இன்னும் நினைச்சுட்டே இருப்பான். 5 years back எதுக்கு? 5 years back பரவாயில்ல. இப்போ வைஃப் ஃபாதர் ஹஸ் இன்சல்டட் ஹிம், சரியா வெல்கம் கொடுக்கல, ஏதோ ஃபெஸ்டிவலுக்கு போனாரா, எப்போ 35 years பேக். உங்க அப்பா இப்படி பண்ணிட்டு, உங்க அப்பா இப்படி எங்க 35 years பேக். ஆல் சில்ட்ரன் காட் மேரீடு செட்டில்ட் ஆல்சோ. இவர் இன்னும் விட மாட்டார். அது போகாது வாசனை மனசுக்குள்ள. இல்லைன்னா வைஃப் ஆல்வேஸ் ஹஸ்பண்ட் கிட்ட போய், உங்க அம்மா அப்படி சொன்னாங்களே, உங்க அம்மா அவட ஆல்ரெடி பெட் ரீடன், சம்டைம்ஸ் ஹி ஆர் டெட் அண்ட் கான் ஆல்சோ. உங்க அம்மா அப்படி சொன்னாங்க, அம்மா அப்படி சொன்னாங்க, போய் மாமனார்கிட்ட சண்டை. என்ன இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம மனசுக்குள்ள அது ஸ்டோர் ஆகின்னு இருக்கு. ஸ்டோர் ஆகி 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 அந்த வாசனையே போக மாட்டேங்கிறது. வேறு இது ஆத்ம ஞானம் எங்க வர போறது? அதனால டோன்ட் ரிஜிஸ்டர் ஆல் தோஸ் திங்ஸ். என்ன இந்த காதுல எடுத்துட்டு இந்த காதுல விடணும். என்ன நான் எவ்வளவு சுலபமா சொன்னேன் சுவாமினி, ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் விடுறது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா, 8th ஸ்லோகா. ஞான விஞ்ஞான திருப்தாத்மா கூட்டஸ்தோ விஜிதேந்திரியः யுக்த இத்யுச்யதே யோகி சமலோஷ்டாஸ்ம காஞ்சனः. Once this person has conquered his mind, body, mind, sense organs, disciplined, well disciplined, not disturbed by anything because of Atma Jnanam, how he looks at the world. How he looks at the world. Now in this shloka, Lord Krishna is giving samatvam with regard to the objects. Next shloka he is going to give the samatvam means equanimity. Equanimous mind, maintaining the same mind with regards to objects. Next shloka, in 9th shloka, with regard to the people, how he maintains. Idu romba thevai namakku. How he looks at the people and the objects. Now you see the 8th shloka, he says, Jnana Vijnana Truptatma. Beautiful word. Jnanam Vijnanam. And Ajnanam illa, adi settukonga. Ajnanam, Jnanam, Vijnanam. Trupta Atmana. Trupta means whose mind is satisfied, whose mind, Atma means mind, whose mind has acquired the satisfaction. How it has acquired satisfaction? Jnana Vijnanena. Alam pratyaya bhavaha. Truptaha ityarthaha. Trupta Atmana, whose mind is satisfied. Truptina. Complete, enough, I am comfortable, I am totally satisfied, I am not lacking anything, I am not feeling any emptiness, my life is complete, full. That's Truptatma. இந்த மனசுக்கு திருப்தி வந்தாதான் அந்த பூர்ண ஆத்மா அடைய முடியும். பூர்ண ஆத்மா அடைஞ்சா மனசுக்கு திருப்தி வரும். இது எப்படி இருக்கு பாருங்க. மனசு திருப்தி ஆகினாலதான் பூர்ண ஆத்மா புரியுமா? பூர்ண ஆத்ம ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் திருப்த ஆத்மா வருமா? பைத்தியம் போனாதான் கல்யாணம் ஆகும், கல்யாணம் ஆனாதான் பைத்தியம் போகும் சொன்ன மாதிரி இருக்கு. கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம்தான், ஆனாலும் பார்க்கலாம் என்ன விஷயம். ஞானம் சரி, அஜ்ஞானம், ஞானம், விஜ்ஞானம். What do you mean by ajnanam? An ignorant person says, I am the body. That's all. Full stop. நான் இந்த உடம்பு ஆனா ஒரு எண்ணத்திலோனு இருப்பான். I am this physical body with flesh, blood, bones, the whole thing. He thinks that he is the body. This is called ajnanam, self-ignorance. Ajnanam. Atma Ajnanam, I am the body. அதுக்கு மேல ஒன்னும் சொல்ல மாட்டான். Full stop. Next one is Jnanam. In the state, I am the body, I have Atma. இது Jnanam, Paroksha Jnanam. Atma இருக்கு. Where? எனக்குள்ள. I have Atma. But who am I? I am the body. This is Paroksha Jnana. This Jnanam, Paroksha Jnanam, what? By listening to Shastra, every class, weekly, thrice, twice coming and listening, and I come to conclusion. Yes, Swami is teaching very nicely. Now I have understood I have Atma. All-pervading Atma everywhere, therefore it is there in me. Yoveda Nihitam Guhayam anu sollirukkan illaya. உள்ளக்குள்ள இருக்கார் ஆத்மா. ஸோ ஞானம் வந்தாச்சு. என்னென்ன ஐ ஆம் த பாடி, எனக்குள்ள ஆத்மா இருக்கா, அது கொஞ்சம் ப்ரிவிலேஜ் தான். இப்போ ஐ ஹாவ் ஆத்மா. பரோக்ஷ ஞானம், இன்டைரக்ட் நாலேஜ். லார்ட் கிருஷ்ணா டாக்கிங் விஜ்ஞானம். இந்த பரோக்ஷ ஞானம் ஹேஸ் டு பி கன்வெர்டட் இன்டு அபரோக்ஷ ஞானம், டைரக்ட் நாலேஜ். ஐ ஹாவ் பாடி. This is called Vijnanam. Aparoksha jnanam is called Vijnanam. Vijnanam is that self-evident. I am Atma Swarupam. There is no doubt in that. I need not verify from anybody. It is called Vijnanam. If it comes only, you will be Truptatma. Trupti. Complete. No craving for anything, no longing for anything, for any emotional support for anything in the world. Nothing can disturb you in the world, either person or object. Jnana means Paroksha Jnanam. Atma is there inside, but I am suffering. People are troubling me. Paroksha Jnanam is no use. Indirect knowledge. So when we enter to the class, first time, how we come? I have the body, I am the body in the class varum. Illaya? Class varumbodhu first எப்படி இருப்போம்? I am the body, I am the body. After listening, go on listening, Krishna's words, what do we say? I have Atma. I am the body, I have Atma. கொஞ்சம் இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட். அதுக்கப்புறம் சின்சியராக கிளாஸுக்கு வந்து ரெகுலராக படித்து நோட்ஸ் எழுதி கேசட்டில் கேட்டு, சுவாமினி உங்கள் கிளாஸு தான் இப்போ எனக்கு ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. அந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து ப்ரையாரிட்டி, ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ரெடாமினன்ஸ் ப்ரையாரிட்டி இஸ் ஓன்லி ஃபார் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம். That person claim after listening length of time, I am Atma, I have the incidental body. Vijnanam. நிம்மதி உங்கள் சாய்ஸ். திருப்தாத்மா. திருப்தி வந்தாச்சு, குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லை. திருப்தாத்மா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லை. Then what? I remain as கூட்டஸ்தஹா. Kutastha means aprakampaha. Kutastha means anvil. Anvil, you know, the cobbler, the person who repair the chappal. When you give the chappal to repair, he is go on putting that nails and stitching something he does. Upon what he does, there is an anvil he put in the earth strongly. One iron rod he keeps, anvil. When he is doing this job, repairing the chappal, that anvil should not move. If anvil also moving, what repair he can do? It cannot do. So that anvil must be strong and steady and firm. Then only he can do repair of the chappal. And the anvil koda kaal nandi kootam. Kootastham. Kootama nikkiradhu kootastham. Kootamana steady-a, firm, நிக்கிறதுன்னு அதுதான் கூட்டஸ்தம். கூட்டவத் திஷ்டதி இது கூட்டஸ்தம். கூட்டவத்னா தட் ஆன்வில். இப்போ திஸ் ஆத்மாக்கு என்ன பேருன்னா கூட்டஸ்தகான்னு பேர். இந்த ஆத்ம ஞானிக்கு கூட்டஸ்தகான்னு பேர். பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் வெரி ஃபர்ம், ஸ்டெடி. திஸ் ஞானி ஆல்சோ வெரி ஃபர்ம், ஸ்டெடி, லைக் எ ஹிமாலயன் மவுண்டெயின் மாதிரி. Can you shake the Himalayan mountain? Can you imagine to shake the Himalayan mountain? Even you cannot imagine. Why? You are already have the knowledge that Himalayan mountain cannot be shaken. Similarly, this person understands ettadadresham agrahim agotram avarnam achakshushrotram. Atma is steady, firm, it has no disturbance at all. It is Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swarupa Kotastham. Since I am the Atma, I remain as what? Kotastham. That's when husband is not doing anything, இந்த அம்மா சொல்லுவான், என்ன பிரம்மனா உட்கார்ந்துருக்கான்னா, என்ன பிரம்மன் ஒன்றும் பண்ண மாட்டார். அது மாதிரி இவர் கூட ஒன்றும் பண்ண மாட்டார். பிரம்ம ஞானம் அடைய வேண்டியது ஒன்றும் அடையாமலே பிரம்மனா சும்மா உட்கார்ந்துருக்கார் அவர். So Kutasthaha, Naprakampaha, unshaken, never shuffled by, never tossed by anything. No, nothing can disturb him. Even loss, great loss comes, nothing can disturb. Okay, chalta hai. It's very, very confident. Next, Vijitendriyaha. How he got that steadiness, firmness? Because he has mastered his sense organs. Jitendriyaha, Vijitendriyaha. Indriya means sense organs. Jitendriyaha means Ji means to conquer. Ji to conquer. Jitaha means who has conquered, whose sense organs are conquered. Jitaha. Who has mastered his Vijitendriyaha totally, completely. Not once in a while. Once in a while. Even the objects are available for sense organs in front. He will not be attracted to them. He will not be shaken by them. He will, because he knows all are mithya. Mithya, they don't have satta of their own. That's what Nachiketa said. Tavaiva vaha tavanritya geete enna. இந்த அழகான வார்த்தை சொன்னார் நச்சிகேதர் யமதர்மராஜனுக்கு. யமதர்மராஜா want to show so many gifts, even women presentations, lot of gifts he is giving. All these are temporary. They will not give trupti. I know that 9-year-old boy. இங்க 90% person கூட வரமாட்டேங்குது. 9-year-old boy say, you keep all these pleasures with you. என்னமா வார்த்தை சொன்னார் பாருங்க. Okay, I will enjoy, but you give Brahma Jnana கூட கேட்கல. Give all the pleasures also, I give Brahma Jnanam also னு கேட்கல. I'll keep all these things, and who want this? Anityatvam, Mithyatvam, they don't have their reality, they have their potential sorrow in them. Therefore you keep it with you and you give to somebody else. Tavaiva vaha tava nritya geete. அந்த மாதிரி கரேஜ் வரணும். யாராவது ஏதாவது கிஃப்ட் கொடுத்தா கொடுங்க, எனக்கு தேவையில்லையதப்பா, வேண்டாம் எடுத்துட்டு போன்னு கூட சொல்றதுக்கு தயாராக இருக்கணும். நீயே வச்சுக்கோன்னா அந்த அளவுக்கு நமக்கு வைராக்கியம் இருக்கா? இருந்தா விஜிதேந்திரியா, யுவர் ஆல் விஜிதேந்திரியான்னு அர்த்தம். விஜிதேந்திரியா யுக்தா, ஹூ இஸ் integrated, whose body, mind, sense organs are aligned with alignment, like orchestra. தம்புரா ஒரு ஸ்ருதி, பாட்டை பாடுறவன் ஒரு ஸ்ருதி, மிருதங்கிஸ்ட் ஒரு ஸ்ருதி. இந்த மியூசிஷியன் ரூபக தாளம் தான் பாடுறாரு. அண்ட் இந்த மிருதங்கிஸ்ட் இஸ் பிளேயிங் இன் திரிபுட தாளம். எப்படி இருக்கும்? And Tambura is in Madhyama Shruti, violin is in Panchamam, which ragam violinist playing in a Kalyani, you are part of the Hindu. Can you sit in that music concert? From outside itself you will go away. And no harmony. It is not an orchestra. That's why however much the person, musician is great, he requires the cooperation of violinist, he required the cooperation of mridangist, he required the cooperation of the tambura person. Madhyama Shruti anna Madhyama Shruti change pannikano, Panchama anna Panchamati change pannikano. What raga he is playing, tam violinist adhe ragam he has to maintain. What musician is singing, same raga he has to play. This is called orchestra. Unity, integration, harmony. Otherwise it is a cacophony, not harmony, cacophony. Abba kathoram, karna kathoram kaadu moodikadum apdi. Similarly our whole body is like a music concert madri. Okay, body, mind, sense organs, buddhi, all like a violinist, tambura, mridangist and musician. நாலு பேர் கரெக்டாக இருக்கு. இதெல்லாம் ஸ்ருதி கரெக்டாக சேரணும். That's why they align. பாட்டுக்கு மத்தியில் என்ன பண்ணுவேன், பாடணும். அது பார்த்துட்டு தான் கீர்த்தனை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். That's why they every kirtanaka middle they adjust the shruti again and again. Similarly in our life also, every situation நம்ம கூட சென்ஸ் ஆர்கான்ஸ், பாடி, மைண்டு கொஞ்சம் அலைன்மெண்ட் பண்ணுறது. அதுக்கு தான் தியானம். கொஞ்சம் தியானம் பண்ணிட்டான்னா எப்படி இருக்க, டுடே மார்னிங் எப்படி பேசினேன், வாட் ஐ வாஸ் மார்னிங், what are my words I have used today, to whom I have interacted, how I have interacted, how much balanced way I have interacted, how many times I have lost my balance, how many times outwardly I have not lost my balance, but internally I have lost my balance. இதெல்லாம் செக் பண்ணிக்கணும். அந்த பரீட்சை சிந்தனா அன்னார். இன்ட்ராஸ்பெக்ஷன் பண்ணணும், அனலைஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும், செல்ஃப் டெஸ்ட் வச்சுக்கணும். Every minute. That's a real mumukshu Vedantic seeker, always keeping test to himself or herself. Real student, real sadhaka. Yes, my mind is going wrong way. Wrong thoughts are coming. Thinking about others wrongly, doubting others. Something is going. No. Nip in the bud. It's very, very toughest task. But wonderful. The more you do your sadhana internally, you are the most strongest person. Ultimately, you are the person who is going to get Atma Jnana. That's why Lord Krishna, why is using this Jitatma, Vijitendriyaha, Yuktaha. Yuktaha. That's the integration and artham. Yogi and Karma Yogi, Dhyana Yogi, Sannyasi, Jnani, all are yogis. Many places, wherever Lord Krishna calls yogi and Ashtanga yogi, always karma yogi ni solla mudiyadhu, Jnani ni solla mudiyadhu, Sannyasi ni solla mudiyadhu. And the context puruthaman you have to take. Yogi, Yuktaha iti uchyate. Yuktaha, who is integrated, is called yogi. Here yogi means what? Karma yogiya, Sannyasiya, Ashtanga yogiya, Dhyana yogiya, Jnaniya. Shankaracharya says Jnani. I already learned 2nd chapter, 3rd chapter, 4th chapter. He has understood Atma. What? Aprameyam, Swaprakasham, Nitya Buddha Mukta Swarupam. Atma he has understood. Therefore this yogi must be what? Jnani. A man of self-knowledge. That's why we should not study on our own. இப்போ புரியுறத? கமெண்ட்ரி படிக்கணும். அந்த கமெண்ட்ரி படிக்கணும்னா சம்ஸ்கிருதம் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். சம்ஸ்கிருதம் படிக்கிறதுக்கு 12 வருஷம் ஆகிடும் பாஷ்யம் படிக்கிறதுக்கு. அதனால you will better to go to a guru and understand. That's good. No? Never study on your own. Yogi, Jnani, a man of self-knowledge. So what? Sama loshta ashma kanchanaha samahana. Loshtamanna clod of mud. Ashmanna a hard stone. Kanchanamanna adu nalla theriyum. Tangam, gold. Loshta ashmanna theriyadu. Kanchanamanna swaranamnu artham. ஏன்னா ஞானிக்கு தான் இந்த மூடு தெரியும், அஜ்ஞானிக்கு என்ன தெரியும்னா ஸ்வர்ணம் தான் தெரியும். Therefore, this person Samaha, when he look at that clod of mud, he never look at inferior. When you look at the stone, he never look at it inferior. When he look at the gold, he look at superior. Gold is so superior. How much value he give to the clod of mud, he gives to the same value to this gold. அப்போ அந்த ஞானம் வேண்டாம் சுவாமினி. கோல்டு கூட மட்டா பார்க்குறவனுக்கு எதுக்கோ தகராறுன்னா, அப்படின்னா அவனுக்கு வேல்யூ தெரியாதன்னா. தெரியும், பட் ஹீ நெவர் கிரேவ் ஃபார் தட். ஹீ நோஸ் த வேல்யூ ஆஃப் 100 grams எவ்வளோன்னு தெரியும். ஆனாலும் அதுக்காக ஒரு கிரேசினஸ், லாங்கிங், அது இருக்கணும், எனக்கு வேணும் வேணும், இந்த தங்கம் தான் வேணும் அந்த ஒரு கிரேவிங் கிடையாது. அதுதான் ஒன் பக்தா டுக் திஸ். பாவம் பக்தர் நிறைய வர்ஷிப் பண்ணி 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 கொஞ்சம் ஹி பிகேம் பூர். நோ, ஹி டோன்ட் ஹேவ் மனி. ஜெனரலி பக்தாஸ் ஆர் பூர் ஆல் த டைம். பூர்னா ஓரளவுக்கு தான் ஏதோ இருக்கும், மீடியோக்கர். ஏன்னா ஆல்வேஸ் சிட்டிங் இன் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆஃப் த லார்ட், நோ ஏர்னிங். ஸோ என்ன பண்ணிட்டார், லாஸ்ட்டுக்கு பார்ப்போம் இந்த பக்தன் வந்து பணமே இல்லை சாப்பாட்டுக்குன்னு சொல்லி இந்த ராம, Lakshmana, Sita, Hanuman in the Vigraham, Tangam Vigraham, he took to that goldsmith and he told that person, see, you take all this and give money, how much it comes. And this goldsmith is weighing every one Vigraham. Rama weigh panni, oh, this much money you will get. Then Lakshmana he weighed and this much money you get. Sita you get. And Hanuman he gave this. Hey, Hanuman is so strong. You have to give more money. The person asked, Hanuman is Balavan, strong person. So therefore you give more money. In the bhakti angle he is seeing goldsmith kana gold da kanak anga. Hanuman big longer big body kadayadu. This gold is the valued here. அது மாதிரி அப்புறம் பகவான் இப்படி சொன்னாருன்னா, திஸ் ஞானி இஸ் நாட் ஹேவிங் த வேல்யூ ஃபார் கோல்டு. அப்படி இல்லை, ஹி நோஸ். He is, that's why Jnani also has got emotions, healthy emotions. Scientist-க்கு தான் இல்லை. Scientist என்ன பண்ணுறாரு தெரியுமோ? Wife went approached her husband who is scientist. Scientist always sitting in where? Where scientist sit? Laboratory. One day he is not coming home at all. Always doing research, you know. This wife went straight away to the laboratory. See, you are not taking care of me. You are not looking into my tears. She is crying, go on crying. This person is not having love, affection, emotion. Look at my tears. He said, what? H2O, he said. After seeing the tears, he says, H2O. But Jnani never says that. Jnani sees behind the H2O there is a heart. Understand? Similarly, Jnani knows gold weight, okay, gold value. What we have to understand, gold he never give importance, not significant kadayadu avarku. Because he is Atmanyeva Atmana Tushtaha. If this person Ajnaniki in the gold irundada security anakana. Jnanika gold gives more insecurity. Therefore, I don't want gold. Even he lost that also doesn't matter. When that sannyasi gave nice gem, diamond, this poor person is going and thought, how this man gave this precious gold and diamond to me. So he must be having much more valuable than this. Let me go and check up, ask him to get that. I want to get that. Then he went, approached that Jnani again, asked, what is that you are having valuable than this? You have given this golden coin to me, means you must be having much more valuable thing with you. Adi kudunganna. Adi kudukanona ninga inga ukvaranonna. You have to sit here. Why? I have to teach Atma Jnanam. Because that alone has given me that tripti. More valuable than this golden gem. Then that person, apde ukandu, he attained Jnana, became Truptaha. So Atma, that is gives more satisfaction. These are all things are insignificant. These are the objects. Loshta, Ashma, Kanchana. Next shloka. With regard to persons, how he is going to see? That's why Kalidasa says, Vikara heto na vikriyante yesham chetasi te eva dhiraha. Whose mind is not disturbed at any time, they are only dhiraha, they are only courageous people. All people are timid people. Who is not disturbed in failure? Who is not disturbed in failure or any sort of problem, that person is courageous person, real courageous person. Like Rama, you are going to become a king, next moment you have to go to forest for 14 years. Adhe face da, same face. Our face? Next. Suhrum mitraryudasina madhyastadeshya bandhushu sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhir visishyate. Now, this jnani, with regard to people, 12, nearly 9 types of people he is giving. Upon all of them, this jnani entertained the same type of mind. 9 type of characters. When this jnani faced them, look at them, interact with them, how he interact, how he respond. Krishna says he responds in the same manner. He responds in a same manner. Who are all they? He says, first, number 1 is Suhrit. 9 types of people are enumerated. Number 1 is Suhrit. Suhrit means the one who helps others indirectly, whose mind is same. Samabuddhi, you have to keep. Jnani entertains equanimous mind. Samabuddhi, his response will never change towards Suhrit, the well-wisher. Prati upakara anapeksha upakarta. Suhrit is one who is helping without expecting any return. Appreciation, money, recognition, nothing he expects. Just he does. Swabhava. Swabhavena is called Suhrit. Swabhavena priyaha. He loves all people by his nature. Now we have to see, I love this person. I love this. Enakku nalla preman. Edinal. Question. Edinal. I love my wife because she helps me so much. I love my children because they send every month draft money. I love my parents because they take care of me. But the Suhrit is not like that. He loves all people equally without any recognition, expectation, without any appreciation, without money, without name, fame, anything. Ada prati upakaram anapeksha, without expecting. Upakarta, unconditionally. On what condition I have to help, how love you? Conditional love. I love you, I love you. Why? Because you love my all. What? All my hobbies. This woman says, no? The articles are all coming in the paper, no? You don't read. I read some articles to tell you. Okay. This lady says, I love him. Why? Because he knows all my hobbies. He knows my all hobbies and he likes and he encourages me. Therefore I love him. What is this love? Conditional love. Krishna Paramatma says, this Suhrit is one unconditional love. Whether he loves my hobbies or not, whether whatever the person, but I love him. Because my nature is that. Romba kashtam. Okay. Next one, Mitra. Mitra means a friend. A friend helps only to his own friend. A friend is one who helps his own friend. Our friend irundada na help pannuven. Avarda mitran. Koncham Suhrit is higher. Mitrananna So both are sharing each other. Because why you are helping him? Hey, he is my friend. Therefore I am helping. If he is not your friend, you don't help. Why I have to help? Because he is my friend. Generally we also say this, no? Because I know that person, therefore I am helping. If you don't know, you don't help. Generally we use this word. Because he is a known person. Because he is my friend. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? என்ன அர்த்தம்னா அதுதான் அர்த்தம். மித்ரா. ஓகே, பரவாயில்ல, ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு ஏதோ கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்ப் பண்றேன். மித்ரா. உதாசீனஹா. உதாசீனஹா மத்தியஸ்தஹா. சுஹ்ருத் மித்ரு காம்பினேஷன். ஸோ மத்தியில் ஒரு அரி வருது. இந்த அரி துவேஷ்ய காம்பினேஷன். ஓகே, அரி துவேஷ்ய. அரி மீன்ஸ் பரோக்ஷ அபகர்த்தா, இன்டைரக்ட்லி ஹார்மிங். டைரக்டாக ஹார்ம் பண்ணால் எதை கொஞ்சம் ரன் அவே பண்ணலாம், ஏதாவது யூ கேன் ரன் அவே. திஸ் பர்சன் அரி என்ன, ஒரு ஷத்ரு இஸ் ஒன் ஹூ இஸ் இன்டைரக்ட்லி ஹார்மிங். என்ன எப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவானோ நமக்கே தெரியாது. சீக்ரெட்லி ஹி டஸ். தட் பர்சன் இஸ் ஸோ டேஞ்சரஸ். So what? This Jnani respond him same way. He shows his love same way to that Suhrit. அது சப்ளை பண்ணிக்கணும் எல்லா இடத்துல. In the Suhrit, that well-wisher, this Jnani loves him same way. He looks at him same manner. Even Mitra is inferior than Suhrit, but this Jnani looks at him same way. Equanimous mind. And Ari, a person who is harming. That's why in many sages' lifestyle history, when you are reading, these Mahatmas never take revenge. Tit for tat kadiyad. So Sadashiva Brahmendra, so many Mahatmas. Why? Towards Ari, even the person harming indirectly also, he never tried to take vengeance. Why you are doing it? On the other hand, this Jnani thinks, okay, I am giving happiness to him. By taking revenge, let him take. Nothing will touch me. This Jnani is never bother. Ari. Dveshya means directly who is harming. Dveshya. Ari Dveshya. Pratyaksha apakarta. Directly who does harm. நம்ம கண்ணு முன்னாடியே பண்ணி முடிச்சுடுவா, அவ்வளவுதான். ஏன் நானுக்கு தெரியாதுன்னு சொல்லி போயிடுவான். There are people, ஏன்னா they want to see the other person when they are unhappy, they get some happiness. Directly they do. Some people happy, indirectly they does, because their name should not come out. யாருக்கும் தெரியக்கூடாது சீக்ரெட்ல. என்ன வெரி க்ளோஸ் பர்சன் தெரிஞ்ச ஃபைல் கேஸுக்கு இதெல்லாம் வந்துடும். மாஃபியா கேஸ் என்ன மாட்டேதில்லை. மாஃபியா கேஸ், exploitation, blackmailing. Dveshaha, direct apakarta, pratyaksha apakarta. Then udasinaha madhyasthaha. He is same towards the udasinaha, means upekshakaha, the person who is not, when two persons are quarreling, this person will not join towards anyone. Madhyastha, udasinaha. He will not bother about both of them. Towards that person also this Jnani is same. And Madhyastha, a person between two persons, two are quarreling, and he is well-wisher of this both of them. He is called Madhyastha. Towards him also this Jnani is entertaining same mind. He is not disturbed. More in the next class. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ.